37वे राष्ट्रीय खेळ बिरेस्तारा अधिकृतपणान सोंपले. 38वी आवृत्तीची बॅटन उत्तराखंडाक दिल्या. महाराष्ट्राक उत्कृष्ट कामगिरी करपी राज्य म्हणून राजा भलेंद्र सिंग ट्रॉफी मेळ्ळी. जाल्यार प्रणती नायक, संयुक्ता काटे आणि श्रीहरी नटराज हांकां उत्कृष्ट खेळगड्यांचे पुरस्कार फावो जाले.
I participated in the national games and won 8 golds, 1 silver, 1 bronze, and I've also won the best male athlete of the national games. It's a great feeling. It's my first best athlete of the national games, and it's a trophy that was missing from my collection, and I'm really happy that I won it.
So how long it took you to get this trophy?
I mean, this is my second national game, so I can say 2 years, but I've been swimming for the past 20 years.
So besides swimming, what else discipline that you have?
I'm doing my MBA in marketing, and I play musical instruments.
Overall, what is your feeling and what is your concept about the Goa and how they have organized it? And how
It was a very well organized meet. Things went smoothly. Transportation was good. Stay was good. Accommodation and everything was done very well. And it was a very good. It was a very well organized meet.
And so, what is your plan in future?
Just continue training and try to make the Olympics again.
So.
समारोप सोहळ्या उपरांत गोवा 365 कडेन उलयतना खेळा मंत्री गोविंद गावडेन आपले विचार मांडले.
कितें म्हाका दिसता सांगपाचें आसा ते सगळे आमचे जे पार्टिसिपंट जे आसात त्यांनी सगळ्यांनी सांगिल्ले आसात. बट आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल टू ईच अँड एवरी वन हू हॅज सपोर्टेड मी along with my entire team for execution of this most memorable national games Goa 2023. As you all heard to the Vice President of India, ज्या तरेन त्यांनी गोंयचो एक उल्लेख केलो, गोंयची प्रशंसा केली. आदरणीय आमच्या भारताचे पंतप्रधानान सुद्दां गोवा एक अशें राज्य आसा ज्या राज्यान भितर अशक्य अशें कांय ना आनी ज्या तरेन ताणें आपल्या एकंदरीत खेळगड्यांक जी प्रेरणा दिल्ली आसा त्या खेळगड्यांक एक आशिर्वाद दिल्लो आसा आनी त्याच आशिर्वादाच्या बळाचेर आमचे नवे नवाचे तरणाटे एथलीट्स त्यांच्यानी गोंया खातीर 27 गोल्ड, 27 सिल्वर आणि 38 ब्रोंज मेळून एकंदरीत 92 मेडलांचो जे आज पर्यंत केन्नाच जावं नाशिल्लें तें आज आमी करून दाखयलेलें आसा. बरेचशे जाणांनी आमी टिका सुचली पण ते टिकेक आमी सकारात्मक आणि आपल्या कामांतल्यान आज आमी उत्तर दिल्लें आसा. पण एकूच गोष्ट हांव सगळ्या गोंयकारांक सांगपाक सोदतां, गोंयकारांचो आशिर्वाद, गोंयकारांचो प्रेम आणि गोंयकारांचो प्रत्येक पावला दिल्लो त्यांच्यानी प्रतिसाद हो म्हजे खातीर एक आनंदाची आणि म्हजे खातीर एक खूब महत्वाची गोष्ट जावन.
खेळा तंत्रीक आचरण समितीचो अध्यक्ष अमिताभ शर्मा हांणी आपले विचार मांडले.
Well, I think it's now in public domain what infrastructure was there in Goa. Electrifying moments, great events, and as you all see, the Olympic movement has just got a big leap with the 37 national games in Goa. It was just stupendous, perfect organizing. As you know, the athletes were super thrilled. All the FOPs, all the arenas were par excellence, and that's why this would be one of the most memorable games that would ever be in the history for any athlete who's participated here.
गोवा 365 खातीर विल्यम रॉड्रिक्स, शुभाशीष गोवेकार आणि संगीता ओली.